Okay, we got a tub drain. We're going to replace it with this new one. We put a little bit of plumber's putty around the edge. Take it, you roll it up in a little piece, and then you beat it around the edge here. It's pliable. Down in here, we have the old gasket that went underneath here, the rubber seal that goes between the tub and the drain hole, the pipe. And you have to insert it, slide it in here, center it, and then take this. Normally I ain't gonna thread anything. It is right-hand thread. You make sure that you feel it start. So you see how it's nice and easy, it starts up. We're going to head and turn it clockwise. We have a tool here that has two ends, a larger end and a smaller end. The smaller end fits inside of here. These four teeth end up going down inside of here. And we're going to go ahead and turn that. You can either choose to put a screwdriver in between here and turn it, or you can choose to use an adjustable wrench to tighten it with this here. Either way, that's your preference. We're going to bring it up till it's pretty tight. You should see a little bit of the plumber's putty oozing out, and so we got a nice seal on the top. So the plumber's putty will do a seal on the top, and then on the bottom will be this rubber gasket. Tighten up pretty good, and get it as tight as possible for me, not too far. And have a little excess of your plumber's putty. Wipe that up. It'll look real pretty. This one we chose to have the one that screws into the center. And we'll go ahead and place the stopper inside of here afterwards. And we're all finished here. That'll be a nice and clean job. Look at our other video where we had to remove this drain plug from the tub. And hopefully this is helpful for somebody, a do-it-yourselfer as myself. Thank you. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks.